Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel HRK Ki Pathshala. My name is Hardik and I shall teach you one of the most advanced and the widely used tool in today's world, and that is MS Excel. MS Excel has been used everywhere, in offices, in schools, in homes, everywhere. And let me tell you, this is like something which you will really want to use once you learn about it. So we'll see how we can open the Excel window. First, I already have a window open, so I just first close it down and then we will start another window. So what I'll do is I first close this window and then I'll show you how you can start it. So you can just start it by going over here and then clicking on to the Excel. So you can see I have the Excel 2016 and it will just pop up like this. Then Excel will give me a default option of selecting a blank workbook, or it will have almost most of the other things. You can see it has the charts, the budgeting, the project tracker, all these other different utilities which you can do with Excel, and it is the advanced version of Excel for 2016, so it provides you a bit of a template which if you want you can use. So we'll just select the blank workbook, and this is the default Excel window which you get. One more way in which you can start Excel is you can go to the start button and then you can click over here on run, and then you can type in Excel over here, and that again will give you this window. So now since this is a first class which we are having, so I'll just teach you in brief what we are seeing in front of the screen today. So I just have an image and then that will just guide you on what are the various bars which we see in Excel. So this, if you see where we have written book 2 Excel and everything, this is your title bar, and then below that you have your menu bar which has file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, format and everything. These are all the various menus which you get in home. You have all the features of the like data on which you can work upon. Insert has something which you want to insert tables or charts or 3D effects into your worksheet. Then you have your page layout in which you can define on how your page you want to be look like, and then you have various formulas which you can use to modify your data. We'll learn about all of this in our upcoming classes. Then this is data tab, which even shows you how you can play around with your data, the sorting, the filtering, then the conversion of the data, and then it's a review in which you can even spell check your data just like you can do it in your MS Excel. And then this is the view menu which even shows you how you can view a workbook in different ways. You can freeze panes and everything. I'll explain all of this in the next classes. And this is the file option which gives you an option to either save and open or print a worksheet or anything. Then you have the toolbar which obviously has all the tools which are given in the menu options. And then you have the formula bar. This is your formula bar where you can enter either the values or the formulas for yourself, and then the work will be done accordingly. This whole area is the worksheet where we have to work. There are total of around rows, and there are too many rows and columns in Excel. As you can see, there are like 104846 rows, and then there are columns ranging till except D. So this is it, and then you have the status bar in the below which shows you what is the status of your worksheet. You can zoom in or zoom out from here. So you might even feel that the layout which is happening over here or the colors or something is not matching up to the Excel in your computer. So don't worry about it, it's just a version difference. Currently mine I think is Excel 2016 which I have over here. So I don't know what your version is. Your can be even any of the versions. Microsoft keeps on coming with the newer versions every year, so we need not worry about it. It's just a line tool. What to say, presentation will only be the difference, as all the basic formulas, everything will be the same. It won't impact your classes. So I hope you find this video hopeful and the upcoming classes as hopeful, and let's meet again in my next video. Thank you.